Ngesikhathi egoqa izethulo zamalungu esigungu esiphezulu seANC owabe ngumongameli weqembu Thabo Mbeki ubuze ukuthi engabe lisakhona yini iqembu. Umbeki ubekhuluma enkulumweni eqoshiwe eputshukile yomhlangano weANC obubhekene nembiko yokuthweswa amacala kwabo bonke ubuholi beqembu. Umbeki uyezwakala kule nkulumo ekhuluma ngokuba kweANC ngenxa yemizamo yayo yokuzikhuculula.
The movement is about to collapse. I'm saying, Comrade Chair, you have this question. Do we still have any organization called the ANC?
Usihlalo weANC eLimpopo, uStanley Mathabatha uthi ngendlela abaholi beqembu abazondana ngayo akuselula ukuthi babuyisane.
The president that we are having today is one of the best presidents that we could ever find as the African National Congress. And we must support him, comrades. But now, the problem that I see is the comrades who run around purporting to be the defenders of our president. When they are running around dividing the African National Congress, pursuing their personal and factional agendas in our provinces. Comrade President, they are organizing meetings in our provinces.
Ilungu lesigungu esiphezulu seqembu uDakota Ligwede lithi uhlaka oliphezulu oluthatha izinqumo kuANC akufanele luzehlulele lona amacala alo.
There are many of us in this meeting who are facing serious allegations of corruption. And I think for as long as we preside and become judges on our own cases, it's not going to help this movement in dealing with corruption.
Lo mhlangano weANC obushubile umkhiphele ngaphandle unobhala jikelele weqembu esimahashule kanye nobongani Bhongo. Ngingusamkele Maseko, ngibekela izindaba zase SABC eGoli.